Happy Independence Day. Really, as an Indian, as an independent Indian, we are very proud. But as an woman, as a female, are you really independent? Are you really happy with your life? No. Because every second of your life, every day of your life, every steps of your life, you are compromising, you are sacrificing, you are following the rules which is prepared by others. You are following that routine which is prepared by others. You are following that lifestyle which is prepared by others. Why? Why you are not spending your life as per your wish? Why you are not spending your day as per your wish? Why you are not following that routine what is really important for yourself and what will be prepared by you? Why someone others will prepare everything of your life? Why they will forcing you to do everything, every step, every second of your life, and ultimately the 24 hours of a day you are serving others? Is it really independent? You are serving others, you are serving the expectation, you are trying to fulfill the expectation of others, and you are sacrificing your basic need. Yes, I know that the women's, the female are sacrificing their basic need to fulfill others' expectation. What are the basic need? Your brushing time, going to washroom time, taking lunch, taking dinner, taking bath, taking sleep. There also you are compromising because you have to fulfill other expectation, because this is the time to be on time, you have to serve the food. That's why even also you are not going to washroom also, even also you are not taking your proper sleep, you are not taking your bath as the time. Why guys? That much of a compromise is really important, because you have to fulfill the luxury, you have to fulfill the extra expectation of other family member. There you are sacrificing, and again as you are sacrificing here, as you are compromising here, so after 1 year, 2 year, or maybe after 5 years it will affect your health. And then also with that illness, with that pathetic condition of your life, then also you have to serve them till their death, you have to serve them. So why not from today say themselves and tell themselves, no, I will not do that extra expectation, extra needs. What is important? The basic needs are really important. What is the basic need of your family member? Definitely you should do that. Definitely you have some responsibility as an wife, as an mother, as an daughter. But that extra responsibility, don't take that. If you are trying to fulfill the expectation of others always, then ultimately you will not able to fulfill your basic need. Why you are compromising with your basic need? After the basic need also, when you are trying to do something in your life, when you are trying to achieve something in your life, when you are trying to do some job as per your choice, as all of the capability you have, your result is very good, and even also that much personality you have, there also you are sacrificing because you are the woman, because your parents are telling you, no, you are the woman and you are a female, that's why this is the time to marriage. After the marriage, then that family members are telling you, no, now you have to stop your job and now you have to think about our family. Then you stop your job. After that you are thinking to do something that, oh, let's crack this exam, after that I can do something. Then also you are thinking, no, The morning time, I have to prepare the breakfast, I have to prepare the lunch, I have to prepare everything, I have to serve others. Then if I get some extra time at night, then I will extend that time and then I will study. Why? Is it really effective study? Is it possible to study after doing everything, after doing all the household work when you are coming at 9 p.m.? Then it is pathetic. I know that it is pathetic because in each and everything what I am telling, I already spent that time. And it's my real life experience. And it is not my only. I know that each and every member, each and every female, each and every woman of India are sacrificing in that way, and even also more than that. So from today guys, it is my request, as you are also the part of India, as the women's also the part of India, so we have that right to live independently. First of all, try to say no, because if something is required for yourself within 24 hours, definitely some quality time sometimes is required for your life also, for your basic need also, for fulfilling your mind, your expectation also. Try to spend that time, try to invest that time for yourself, because expectation never end, their expectation will never end. So if you want to crack any exam, if you want to do something in your life, then you have to spend some time for yourself. So from today, do that. And definitely try to arrange that time what will be effective. Don't try to compromise with that. Yes, the whole the day I will serve others, and after that I will take some time if it is the extra time. Means you are doing extra work every day and it will affect your health ultimately. Then also everyone will tell you it's your problem, it's your fault. Then also they will not tell you no, actually this is the effect of throughout the year. Ultimately again you will suffer. So that's why guys, it is my request from today, and this is the day, Independent Day, when you have to take the oath. Yes, if I want to be an independent woman, then I have to say no. Somewhere I have to say no. This word is very important. And let them take some extra responsibility in their life also. Don't try to follow the rules, don't try to follow the routines which is set by others. Try to prepare your routine, try to prepare your rules in your life. And definitely some compromise, some sacrifice, some responsibility is required. Do that much what is the basic importance, what is the basic need. Don't do that much extent what is the extra. Just leave it, just ignore, and just don't try to fulfill each and every one expectation by compromising your basic need, by compromising your mental satisfaction, by compromising your own health. First of all, if I am leaving everything, don't compromise with your health at least. After the health, your expectation, your study, your job and all. So that is a small request to each and every women of India. Try to be independent, try to live your life independently, and try to say no to your parents when they are forcing you to do something and to leave something, as you are a female. When your friends or your in society, in outside, they are telling something, you should not do that, as you are a female. Say no, I can also do that. When your life partner is telling you, no, you should not do that as you are a woman, say no. When your in-laws or anyone is telling you, no, you should not do that as you are a woman, say no. Even also, if your kids are also forcing you to spend whole the day and to fulfill their each and every expectation, then definitely say them no from today. Definitely do for them. Definitely try to spend the time and definitely try to help them. But that much only what is really important. Because ultimately at the end of the day they have to be independent. So as a mother also I can say one thing, that try to help your child to be an independent. Don't try to do everything on behalf of them so that they will be never independent. Try to help them from today. Tell them to do each and every work what is possible for themselves as per their age. Let them do their work. Then you will also get some time and ultimately they will be independent and they are the future of the India. So it is also your responsibility to make them independent. So there is lots of responsibility as a woman, as a female. So take that responsibility so that our nation will be great nation. Without the female improvement, without the women's improvement, that is not possible. So please do that. Please follow this from today. Don't sacrifice, don't compromise from today. And if you like this video, then definitely share this video as much as possible all over the Indian women so that they can follow it and ultimately they can change their life, they can change their nation, and they can change the habits of the others throughout the society. That is very important. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy Independence Day.